Hi guys, today I will make a custom order and this order is a trifle. So because I don't have this size of the knife, the model knife, so I will make it by hand cut and even the inside pocket. Yes, it will be very fun because it will be a A6 trifle. Yes, and I never make it, but I feel it will be very fun. So I will start to make it now. Yes, this is L loser and it's really functional for making notebooks. Start to make it. The wide is about 33.5 centimeters. Yes, this. So I use the silver pen to make a mark. And the height is about 16.5 centimeters. The L loser is very good functional because if you make the right measurement and you just will very correctly to cut it, it will be very rectangle, become a really correct rectangle. Yes, you can see, just like this. And the letter is Nude. This name, the letter's name is Nude letter, and it's also very soft. Yes, very soft, but also very thick. You can see. Yes, and I like to use the pizza knife to cut it. But using this knife, I have to be very careful. You can see I just uncover it and just let the pizza knife to run over my finger. And these days I have many custom orders, and I'm so happy to have this growing up because now people they all show me they like my videos. Yeah, and thank you guys because I like to share the process that I'm doing. I feel it's more fun to tell you guys how I make it. And also the customer, they usually provide me the new new style of notebooks. Yeah, and I really like to make it. Yes. I always say you have idea and I can just make it. So it's a pretty good cooperation, right? It's hard to cut because if you don't use the pizza knife, you just using the normal, the regular knife to cut the leather, it will become, if I want the leather is just 1 inch, just one centimeter or 1 inch, and because this leather will doing like this, it will pour the leather, so maybe I just need 1 inch. So after I use this kind of the knife to cut it, the leather will become 1.2 inches or less in 1.4 inches. Yes, because the knife will just like this, it will pour the leather become a little longer. So if I use the pizza knife, it's just like a wheel. It will roll on the leather. Yes, it will roll on it. So you can just keep the inches you want. Yes. So the pizza knife is very good using. It's very good useful. And this I buy from Chicago. And as I come back to Taiwan, I just found many places that I can buy this knife. So stupid because I'm not open to go outside for shopping or something. So I don't know there is the kind of this knife is sell in Taiwan. It's fun. It's really crazy to me. Okay. Okay, now the trifle is here. And you can see the edge still have the silver pans marks here, so I have to erase it. And this pen is only for the silver pen. Just take the silver pen off. Okay. And the edge, circle edge, yes, punch. You can see the edge is become smooth circle. Yes, and this is a trifle, so it will like this and goes to like this. Yes. So in the X6, you will go here. Go here. Let's make a little mark here. The notebook should be put inside here. Yes. So later I will sew in from here and here, and here should just be the cover. Yes, it's not bad. It's pretty like the small wallet style. It's beautiful. Okay, so I will start to make the inside cover, the inside pocket, and I will show you later. Okay, see you guys soon. And here is the folio, inside folio. Yes, I prepared here. And this is the oldest sketch, the design here. Yes, the front cover here to folio. Yes. So if you guys want to make some customs, if you can draw it, and it will more and more clear to let me know how you want, what style you want. It will very correctly to let me know, and I won't mess it up. Okay. So now I'm cutting the folio inside. Okay. Most folio I usually cut by the notebook, decide how wide it is. So at least they have the 6.5 centimeters, but this is trifle, so I want to make the folio is a little wider, so it will go through the 8 centimeter. I think most guys, because you like to ask me to make the customs, because I think maybe my letters is really good quality and they are very thick and most colors are beautiful. So if you have the some style you like, but you don't like the leather you have, because I know most of the finished product you buy in the stationery or anywhere, I know the letters are very thin, and some is like using the PU letters, and I think my letter is really good quality. So if you have some ideas, if you see some good notebooks in the stationery and you just like the style and you don't like the letter, you can just ask me to make it in the style but with my letters. That will be very good quality and beautiful. Okay, here is two for you. Then I will start to sewing it. So see you later. Okay guys, I'm back, and you can see here the trifle is done, and it's really beautiful. It is a little similar to my grab and go cover, but it's not grab and go. It's just the trifle, because the customer she want add the button, and she is same like me, because people just I said I don't like the elastic has the tight here, has a knot here. Yeah, so she asked me, and because she don't like the nut too. So how to solve this problem? I tell her, don't worry, because now in my shop there is no nut in my shop now. So you can see here is two metal caps here. One is for the elastic spine and one is for the closure. Yes, and they are very flat. So when you are writing, it just won't bother you. Yes. So it's really beautiful, and the new leather is really natural, and the characters is very soft, but also very thick, and especially the new leather, because all the leather is all made by the new leather, because it's the original color of the leathers. So just like my body, Mary, just like my chocolate, they all dye with the new leather. So it's really beautiful, and you can see my edge polish is also very beautiful too. Yes, and because it's trifle, so here has the sewing. Here is the stitching sewing here. Yeah, and yes, there is a secret because now my sewing is a big upgrade. My stitching ability is a big upgrade. Yes, you can see the stitching. They are really beautiful. They don't have any marks on the edge. Yeah, before I'm always thinking about how to remove the stitching mark layer, and now I just figure it out and can can move all the stitching marks. So it make my stitching become more and more beautiful. Yes, and I can say it's already very close to the professional big companies. Yes, I'm so excited in that. So you can see I close it and close it, and here is an elastic closure here. Yes, because now it's very soft, and when you put the notebook inside, it will become very sturdy. Yes, very sturdy, and just become very beautiful. And if you keep to using this for about 1 week, for about 1 month, I will tell you the color will all change. Will become more shiny and more oil, and a bit more, and more the color will be more darker and bright. Yes. Okay, so hope you guys will like the video today, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.